What's up, guys? It's me, Let's Gaming. So, I'm gonna play some Battle Cats because I want to show you these new cats that I got. I'll get back to you guys when I load into the game. And guys, I'm back. So I want to show you these new cats that I got. So I'm gonna start off with the basics. I got the basic cat. Turns into that cat. I have Tank Cat. Nah, these are the basics. You'll see them. Yeah, I gotta show you Samurai, Ninja Cat, whatever. Sumo Cat, Samurai Cat, Zombie Cat, which turns into Devil Cat. Red. And I got Cat Game. Let me move on to the actual thing. As you guys can see, there's all those. I just got Kung Fu Cat. Haven't upgraded him yet fully, but I'm gonna show you. Yeah, here's a little cat. I upgraded him. I have a little cat. I have 3 little cats. I also have these guys. I upgraded this guy fully. He turns into this. You gotta get zombies. So is this good? Now, let's move on to the main topic, why I put this thing out. So, I got this cat. Let's see if it's there. I think it's the next one. Yeah, it's this one, guys. So, this is the cat I got. It's one of the Nigalugas. See, I upgraded him fully. That's what he looks like. Except you can't really see, so I'm going to wait for him to do his attack. Alright guys, so he's about to do his attack. Whoa! He freezes all the enemies. I tried him out. He's really cool. So guys, rare capsules. I got it just in time. Got him just in time. So, nope. Alright. Let's go to upgrade. Let's upgrade this guy fully. Ninja Frog, yeah, that's good. Now, all I need is one more. Like, a bunch of XP, but yeah, I can manage. So, yeah, this is all I got. Let's go back. Hold on, guys. So, guys, I'm here. This is the first thing, Korea. This is what it is. This is what it is. So, I'm gonna show you this. And see it, and look at that. Look at this. I can beat him with one cat because this is the easiest thing. Okay. I don't really care if that dog attacks my base, but you'll see what I mean in just a minute. Maybe 2. This is what I mean. This is Dragon Cat. Does 1,000 damage. Whoa. And after he does his attack, you'll see what I mean. Or maybe he just does not much damage, but you know. Put in that cat right here. Does an area attack, so. And that's how you win. I mean, obviously you start with the normal cat, but who cares? So guys, go to the legend stages. I would clear the Great Escaper, but you don't give me the Great Escaper, so. So guys, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here. XP stage. Ooh. Easy XP. Yeah, let's set that up. Yeah, just in case. Let's go Max. Max, I don't think we need a treasure. Wait, actually, I think yes, we do need a treasure just in case. XP. No. That. Let's go. I'll put up the thing a little bit. So. Obviously, these guys don't do a bunch of damage, so I could just put this guy out. Like, yeet. Yeah, come on, come closer. So you guys can see that this is actually kind of easy. A lot easy. Look at that. Look at that guy. And that guy, Mister. There's like 20 of them now. Okay. I'm not scared. Alright guys, we got him. Whew. Guys, you can't lie, that actually gave me a lot of a heart attack. Not a real heart attack. Don't call the ER. Call the ER. So guys, I'm gonna end the video in just a minute. I just wanted to show you this to see how much XP I can get from this. Look at this guy. $10,000 XP. So guys, if you guys want to download this game, then go into the Play Store, click the Battle Cats. This is absolutely fun. It's addicting. As I said in the last episode, not in the last episode, but you'll know what I mean. So, like and subscribe and share. If you see this video, please tell everyone about this. All right, see you guys in a bit tomorrow. See ya. Have a good day.